PBS Kids video app,
Come inside.
where you can watch full episodes of your favorite PBS Kids shows
Oh.
anytime and anywhere.
Cool. High five.
Take all the laughter and learning of PBS Kids with you wherever you go. Awesome! Incredible! Life lessons with every adventure, right at your fingertips.
Da-da-da-da.
The PBS Kids video app. Watch when you want, wherever you want. No subscription needed. Download on your device today.
Meet Watt, a light bulb from City Island. Watt makes things happen.
I've got everything covered.
Andy has some really bright ideas.
I know.
Watch Watt on the brand new series of shorts, City Island. Streaming now, free on PBS Kids.
Funding for Don Quixote has been provided in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. These generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Through the woods. Ryder and the Woodpecker.
Hi, Mom. Sure. I'll ask him to bring them over.
Dad.
Grammy needs her spoons back. Would you take them over, please?
Sure. Come on, Wolfie. We're going to Grammy's.
Thank you, Ryder.
Dad. Love ya. Hiya, birds. What is that sound? Tap, 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 tap. Sounds like it's coming from up high. Over there. Where'd it go? This way. There it is. Wait, don't go. It's gone again. Nuh-uh, I give up. Wolfie, you found it. And it didn't run away. Maybe I need to be quiet. Quiet like Wolfie. Oh, it's a bird. Whoa. It makes all that noise by banging its beak on the tree. And it's eating bugs. Bye-bye, birdie. Wait till Grammy hears about this. Grammy! We just saw this bird. It had a red head and it went tap, tap, tap on the tree.
Sounds like you saw a woodpecker.
A woodpecker. So that's what it was. Oops, I almost forgot. Dad said you needed these.
Oh, do I hear a woodpecker right here on my porch? Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. No one here but us woodpeckers.
Grammy.
Tap, 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 tap.
Tap, 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 tap.
Get back to nature with PBS Kids, and Eleanor wonders why.
Explorers, are you ready? Oh,
Ready! A show about exploring the world around you,
Nature is full of useful ideas.
discovering the little things,
Do you guys are so cool.
And letting nature take its course.
I think nature is so interesting.
Eleanor Wonders Why. Streaming now, free on PBS Kids.
Rosie has a lot that she wants to know. Rosie's Rules.
Rosie's Rules. Streaming free on PBS Kids.
You're watching community-supported television, KQED.
KQED, KQEH, and KQET are conducting a test of the emergency alert system at the request of the Federal Communications Commission. This is only a test. KQED, KQEH, and KQET are testing their emergency alert systems. KQED and KQEH serve the counties of San Francisco, Alameda, Contra Costa, Marin, Napa, San Mateo, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, and Sonoma. KQET serves the counties of Monterey, San Benito, and Santa Cruz. This concludes our test of the emergency